This cozy autumn wild rice soup is made with fresh seasonal vegetables and greens, hearty wild rice, and deliciously zesty creamy broth. First, wash and dice your celery. Next, peel and chop your potatoes into small cubes. Then open your Baby Bella sliced mushrooms. Chop them up into small pieces. Smash and dice your garlic. Wash and chop your kale. Peel and slice your onion. Peel and dice up your carrots. Place your stock pot on the stove. Warm up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add your diced onion. Cook for 5 minutes until translucent and soft. Add your garlic. Stir. Then add in your 6 cups of vegetable broth. Add 1 cup of wild rice, your mushrooms, chopped carrots, and finally your potatoes and celery. Add the seasonings of bay leaf and Old Bay seasoning and stir. Bring the soup to a simmer and then turn down and let boil for 45 minutes. Add the kale and coconut milk to the stew. Stir gently until combined. Taste and season with salt and pepper.